Artificial intelligence is transforming the world, from the videos you watch, to the cars you drive, to the tools you use every day. But behind all of this magic lies something surprisingly concrete: algorithms. Today, we'll explore the 10 most important algorithms in AI, the ones that power modern technology and shape the future. Let's begin. Linear regression. Linear regression is the simplest and one of the oldest AI algorithms. It predicts a value based on relationships between variables. For example, predicting house prices, forecasting sales, estimating risk. It works by drawing the best possible straight line through data. Despite its simplicity, it's still widely used today. Think of it as the foundation of predictive AI. Logistic regression. Logistic regression is used for classification, deciding between categories. For example, spam versus not spam, fraud versus legitimate transaction, disease versus no disease. Instead of predicting a number, it predicts a probability. It answers questions like, what is the probability this email is spam? Decision trees. Decision trees mimic human decision-making. They work by asking a series of questions. Is age greater than 30? Is income above a certain level? Each question leads to another branch. They are easy to understand, easy to visualize, very powerful. Many real-world AI systems rely on decision trees. Random forest. Random forest improves decision trees by combining many of them. Instead of relying on one tree, it uses hundreds. Each tree votes, and the majority wins. This makes predictions more accurate, more stable, less prone to errors. Random forest is used in finance, healthcare, and recommendation systems. Support vector machines. Support vector machines, or SVM, classify data by finding the best boundary between groups. Imagine separating apples and oranges with a line. SVM finds the line that separates them best. It's especially powerful in image recognition, text classification, bioinformatics. K-nearest neighbors. K-nearest neighbors works on a simple principle. Things that are similar tend to belong together. To classify something, it looks at its nearest neighbors. If most neighbors are cats, it's probably a cat. It's simple but surprisingly effective. K-means clustering. K-means is used to group data into clusters. It finds patterns without being told what to look for. This is called unsupervised learning. It's used in customer segmentation, market analysis, recommendation systems. It helps businesses understand their users better. Neural networks. Neural networks are inspired by the human brain. They consist of layers of artificial neurons that learn patterns. They power image recognition, speech recognition, modern AI systems. Neural networks are the backbone of modern AI. Convolutional neural networks. Convolutional neural networks, or CNNs, specialize in images. They can recognize faces, detect objects, analyze medical scans. They are used in self-driving cars, security systems, medical diagnostics. CNNs gave machines the ability to see. Transformers. Transformers are the most important modern AI algorithm. They power ChatGPT, language translation, AI assistance. Transformers understand context better than previous algorithms. They revolutionized AI. This is the technology behind the current AI boom. Conclusion. These 10 algorithms form the backbone of artificial intelligence, from simple predictions to machines that see, to machines that understand language. AI is not magic. It's mathematics, algorithms, and data. And now, you understand the core of it. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe for more deep dives into AI and technology. And comment below, which AI algorithm should we explain next? See you in the next video.